Like me no more. Shining like a supernova, brand new code hanging on my shoulders. I got what you need, I'm your main controller. So hop right in and don't take it slower. Get on up to my cloud, ain't nobody here's taking us down. Hit 'em with the rhythm, banging that sound. That's when we get 'em, hit the whole town. Got what you want, I got what you need. You bring the lock, I got the key. Come turn me on, can't get enough. Don't fit the box, don't fit the mold, cause you know I just tear it up. They don't make 'em like me no more. They don't make 'em like me no more. Make 'em like me no more.
The beauty of life is in the details. Details that shape and define the world around us. Details that have seemed impossible to truly capture until now. Introducing the new Nokia 9 PureView, 5 cameras with Zeiss optics. It excels in the deepest of shadows and the brightest of lights, revealing detail previously hidden. It measures more depth than any previous smartphone camera. Refocus after the shot and discover the extraordinary in the ordinary. It captures and merges 5 simultaneous shots for breathtaking HDR photos. The new Nokia 9 PureView. Explore every detail.
This is the camera that changes photography. And this is the phone that changes mobile. Introducing Galaxy S20 Ultra. Our camera brings 8K video resolution to photos, and we built a game-changing 5G phone around it. At the heart sits our AI pro-grade camera system with 9 times more pixels than most cameras. That means you can forget about 12 megapixels, because with epic 108 megapixel photos, you can now pinch in and in. Then you can take another photo from that, and it will still be pin sharp. And when it comes to zoom, Space Zoom will take you places no mobile has been before. You can now zoom 10 times, or an unbelievable 100 times. Yeah, for real.
Huawei P40 series. A new vision for what a smartphone can be. This is not just a step forward in smartphone photography, it's a whole new dimension. See more than ever before with the world's first ultra-vision Leica pentacamera. The Huawei Quad Curve Overflow display is elegantly rounded from edge to edge. With a custom-developed nanotech ceramic body, it's incredibly strong, but feels delicately smooth. The Huawei Ultra Vision sensor gives you 24